Hi, it's Dag Vinja from Sirius Academia. I want to give a little bit energy forecast for 2023. So if you take 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 3, it becomes 7, and 7 is one of the most spiritual numbers. It's very also for me connected to the Libra, that is the seventh star sign. And that is all about the balancing the timelines, and the fragmented parts. It's very connected to the Gemini. I will teach a lot about this sacred connection between Gemini and Libra in my future courses and schools. But the 7 is all about balancing and balance and connecting with the heaven and earth. And the winter solstice is also very about this, and the connection to Sirius, the star Sirius, where the light is actually coming into the deep womb of Pachamama and makes everything enlightened and illuminating everything inside your body and chakra system and DNA and whatever. So you are getting pure. And this is also very linked to Christ consciousness. So I really love to celebrating that the Christ consciousness is soon coming back, East winter solstice and during the Christmas time. So that is, so the 2023 is going to be very high spiritual and grounding. So I want to say that it's so many people, especially clairvoyant people, and many people that are using other tools as astrology, numerology, Kabbalah, human design. I don't know the names of everything. I Ching, or what? I don't I don't get the message clear, but you understand me. It's so many people that are trying to predict the next year, 2023. This is going to happen. This is going to happen. But I am very aware for me that it's for me it's like it's infinite timelines. It's so many things. It's never-ending timelines, in the future, and it's almost impossible to see and predict the highest and best outcome and the highest and best timelines for myself and for the collective field and for everybody else. But the more you that is listening to this, and the more other people are actually starting to manifesting their highest and best timelines each day, not one time in a year, then you're starting to do the work, and really following it up and acting on all the messages and the signs you get from the environment and your guides and higher selves. Then things is going to rapidly change, because the timelines is rapidly changing all the time, because we have free choice down here on earth, and people are doing their are choosing all the time with their own free will, and therefore the timelines are rapidly changing. So if I, for example, get a message for something that will happen in the future, it may not happen. It doesn't have to happen, because it has to fit with all the other choices to all of the others people on the earth at the same time. But if I'm acting on it, and if the other people also that are connected to that energy or the timeline, if they're also acting on it, then it may happen. So I'm really here to really alert you about being careful to listening too much about other people that are prediction the future. So choose your own highest and best timeline always, and listen to your guides. When I'm, for example, getting timelines, information about timelines that I don't like, I don't tell it to people. Then I'm doing my best, you know, what can I do to stop that timeline, you know, what is asked from me, what can I do, what kind of courses can I offer you and the collective field, so this is not going to happen, you know. So I'm really switching it around, you know, so I don't go into the fair, because if I'm going into the fair, then I'm increasing the energy. If I'm talking to it, about it, to other people, if I'm sharing it to other people on Facebook, whatever, you know, then I'm actually giving more energy to that timeline, so it actually will happen. And it's the opposite that I want to happen, you know. So I understood this like 2 years ago for myself, and so I was there, you know. I've shared a lot of things that I regret on, you know, but now I have learned. And now probably you can have some of my my understanding, so maybe you can understand this a little bit more for your own self, because I don't have the full understanding of everything, you know. I can also be wrong about this, but always use your own intuition. And my experience, if I give energy to a timeline, it will happen for sure. That's manifestation, you know. So a lot of my courses and schools, I will also talk a lot about manifestation and manifestation, and how to stop timelines for yourself and me and everybody else. And I will teach you what I can do, and I have really worked with this for a long time. Namaste, 7 minutes. I love you all. Please check out all my links, or order astrology soul reading, or check out what I have to offer on my web pages and internet. And please follow me on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. I love you so much. Bye bye, and maybe I see you here and there in the future. Namaste. I love you. We are all one. Bye bye. Really love you all. Bye bye. And don't remember, I remember that I really love you all, and that all I want to spread is love and light. And please don't be angry at me if you didn't like this, but this is really from my heart, deep from my heart to you. This is all my knowledge and experience that I have, that I really can share to you. Namaste.